Temperatures are going up. We've got sunshine outside. It's very humid, and it's going to remain humid at least for today as well as tomorrow. And the temperatures both days should make it up into the 90s, which will give us our second and third 90-degree day of this month. You can see a live look right now from Lincoln off to the south and west. We've got clouds out in the distance, blue skies overhead. I actually thought we'd see more clouds further to the east than they are right now, so that's going to allow things to warm up pretty quickly. Taking a live look from Allo Communications, much the same story as we look off to the south and west. You can see the clouds out into the distance. And you can see from the visible satellite imagery how we've got clear skies over Lancaster County right now. The clouds we're seeing is this band that's down moving through portions of Saline County and Gage County. As there's some clouds moving up through the central part of the state, there's a little spin in the atmosphere, what we call an MCV, that's sliding north, and we are going to watch for the potential for some thunderstorms to develop in the heating of the day from this area of low pressure that's moving up through the area, which I'll show you in just a moment. The other big story is this warm front that has lifted north through the day. South of the warm front, I put the colors on here to give you an idea of showing you where the humidity is at, or the higher humidity, as dew points are in the 60s and 70s. North of the front, we've got very comfortable air, so up in the northern and northwest corner of the state is feeling much more comfortable. Right now in southeast Nebraska, dew points are sitting in the low to mid 60s, even some 70s, and anytime you get above 60, it feels uncomfortable. Anything above 70 becomes feeling very tropical. Now, air temperature wise, we're up to 84 degrees in Lincoln and 86 degrees in Beatrice. It's 81 in New York and 82 in Columbus. Combine that with the humidity or the dew points, and we get the feel like temperature, also called the heat index, and it feels like it's 88 right now in the capital city. 89 is what it feels like in Beatrice, and same down towards Falls City, and it feels like it's 88 up towards Wahoo. So we're getting near 90 degrees, or feeling like 90, and it feels like it's 90 in Iowa City. And take a look at these numbers. 93 is what the heat index is right now in Chicago, and 96 in St. Louis. So there is a lot of heat and a lot of humidity through the central part of the country. Now, around here this afternoon, Stormcast is trying to pick up on some thunderstorms developing within the next half hour or so. There's nothing out there at the moment, but that's something to watch out for, the potential for some strong thunderstorms to develop during the early afternoon. These will move almost due north as we go through the afternoon. I think the best chance is going to be right along the Nebraska-Iowa state line, but anything that does develop would have the potential to produce some very large hail and some gusty winds. Air temperature wise, as we head towards the late afternoon, we'll be getting up in the low 90s. I'm forecasting a high of 93 degrees in Lincoln, and that's important because the record is 94 set back in 2000, so we'll be getting close to that. We'll have to be watching for that during the afternoon, and that peak heat index later this afternoon could make it up into the middle to upper 90s as well. So feeling very warm, and even through 8 o'clock this evening, still feeling like it's 90 degrees. If you need to get some yard work done, today you can if you want to go out and sweat. Better days on Friday and Saturday. We are going to watch for a chance for showers and thunderstorms to develop tomorrow evening. And then this line will start to spread off to the east as we go through the evening and into the nighttime hours. Although as it gets closer to 10, 11 o'clock, we may start to notice the rain showers and the eastern progression begin to fizzle out. Nonetheless, the Storm Prediction Center does say there's a slight risk of severe weather. I think the main threat will be some damaging winds, also some hail early on with the storms that initially develop. 94 degrees on Thursday. Behind the cold front, 82 on Friday, 81 degrees on Saturday with a chance for a spotty shower, maybe a lingering shower into Sunday morning, and then temperatures in the 70s for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, and then we're back up into the 80s as we head towards the end of next week.